हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम बात करेंगे एमसीक्यूज ऑन कम्युनिटी इंफॉर्मेशन सर्विस। व्हाट इज द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ कम्युनिटी इंफॉर्मेशन सर्विस? दैट इज प्रोवाइड एक्सेस टू essential community based information. CIS primarily serve which group of user? That is general public. Which of the following is not a feature of CIS? That is commercial advertisement. Which term best describes CIS? That is social welfare service. Who are the major beneficiaries of CIS? Common citizens. CIS focus mainly on practical and daily life information. Which type of information is most relevant for CIS? Legal aid and health service. CIS aims to empower communities through information. Community Information Center were introduced in India during the 1980s. The philosophy behind CIS is information for the development. Which of the following is commonly offered by a community information center? That is legal counseling. CIS often includes public notice. What kind of service is job vacancy information in CIS? That is employment oriented. A CIS in a rural area would most likely provide farming and irrigation information. CIS contribute to community empowerment. Community information includes data about the local health and education facility. This service can be part of the CIS, that is weather forecast. Libraries offering CIS must regularly update job listing and public notice. Which media is most effective for disseminating community information? That is bulletin boards and the notice display. Which is a digital platform for community service in India? That is eShram portal. Who play a key role in implementing CIS? That is librarian. The role of the librarian in CIS includes community outreach and information dissemination. What type of skill is essential for the CIS librarian? That is community engagement. A public library is ideal for CIS because it is accessible to all. Librarians can promote CIS through community meetings and information literacy programs. A key factor in successful CIS is community participation. Librarians must assess community information needs. The major barriers to CIS is illiteracy and language barrier. Community librarians should be trained in social network and communication. Mobile libraries are useful for CIS in rural and remote areas. One of the biggest challenge in CIS is financial constraint. Evaluation of CIS is done through user feedback and the survey. For successful CIS, data must be timely and relevant. CIS information must be easily understandable. One indicator of successful CIS is increase in community participation. CIS faces the issue of misinformation. An example of failure in CIS is lack of community needs assessment. Evaluation tool for CIS include focus group discussion. Community members must be treated as equal partners. To improve CIS, libraries should conduct regular need-based surveys. When which organization promote community information service globally? That is UNESCO. In India, public libraries are primarily governed by the Ministry of Culture. Which Indian state pioneer community information service via rural libraries? That is Kerala. What is Jan Suchna portal in Rajasthan? That is a platform for community information. An example of international CIS is Community Connect. Community Information Center in India are supported by the NIC and Ministry of IT. A major model of CIS is participatory model. Information kiosk in village are example of the CIS infrastructure. Which UN SDG align with CIS? That is goal for quality education. The long term of aim of CIS is social empowerment and inclusion. Thank you.